How to change your address on Bank of America app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your address on Bank of America app. For this, open up Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar, and here you want to search for Bank of America app. Here you want to tap on the install button and have this application installed on your device. Once the application has been installed, launch it open and sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now, in order to change your address on Bank of America app, tap on the menu button at the top left corner of your screen. Now, you will find different sections. On the profile settings section, tap on the contact info option. Now, all of your contact info will be displayed over there. You simply want to click edit on that page. Next, you want to input the new billing address, then tap on the Save option. And with this, you can easily change your address on Bank of America app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.